In this video, I'll show you how to use the Robinhood 24-hour crypto market so you can trade cryptocurrency anytime directly from the app. Since crypto markets operate all day and all night, Robinhood allows you to buy and sell supported cryptocurrencies without waiting for regular market hours. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon at the bottom and search for the cryptocurrency you want to trade, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported coin. Open the crypto page to continue. On the crypto page, you'll see the live price chart, recent market movement, and trading options. Because the crypto market runs 24 hours a day, these prices can change constantly, even late at night or on weekends. To place a trade, tap the trade button and choose whether you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you want to trade, then review the order details carefully. You can choose between different order types, including market orders and limit orders depending on how you want the trade to execute. Once you confirm the order, Robinhood will process the trade based on current market conditions. You can monitor your crypto positions anytime from the portfolio section inside the app. Since the market never closes, it's a good idea to set price alerts or regularly check your positions if you're actively trading. Keep in mind that crypto prices can move very quickly during overnight hours and weekends because trading activity continues around the clock. If you ever notice delayed updates or missing features, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. And that's how you can use the Robinhood 24-hour crypto market. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.